I was here, we literally had things flying all over the place.
That is true.
Watch out, front row. Here to show us.
We calmed down this time a little bit, I
don't
think.
believe you. Here to show us more fun with science. Please welcome from Street Science, Kevin Delaney.
Hello. Ken. Rachael.
I'm holding a piece of
You're
string.
holding a piece of string because
what am I supposed to do with this?
We're going to make a balloon, but we're going to make an edible balloon. So first we need to do this. So we have some gelatin here.
Gelatin.
So I'm just going to add that to that.
A little bit of water. I'm going to
stir it around.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I've got corn syrup.
Okay.
I'm gonna. I don't have a spatula. You wanna?
I got a spatula right here.
All right, that's going in
the
there.
The corn
well.
syrup. Got it.
And then we also have corn starch.
Gotcha. It's really corny.
It's very corny.
In here, in here, in here.
In there. Yeah. You can put that aside now.
Okay. Put this aside.
And then I've got sugar.
Okay.
And salt.
Does your dentist know we're doing this?
Don't tell my dentist we're doing this. You blew up my spot.
And salt. Okay.
And salt. Okay, so we stir that around.
Gotcha.
And then once it's boiling, we're going to add the gelatin. We have some through the magic of television,
some over there.
of course,
okay.
Over here. So now, over here, we have a helium tank. And we've got kind of a marshmallowy goop down here, a sweet goop. So what I'm going to do...
Do you want some gelatin goop? Or no?
No, that's good.
Oh, you already got it.
Yeah.
This is for them.
Yeah,
gotcha.
that's for that one. Okay, so now I've got a helium tank. So what I'm going to do is just kind of dip the hose here into the goop.
Okay.
And then turn on the helium. And let's see. It takes a little bit.
I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can.
Balloons are difficult. So that's what we're doing. Is we're making...
He made a balloon animal.
An edible balloon. Let's see if I can get another one. I got it all over my finger now.
Got a balloon stuck to his finger.
This stuff is so sticky.
Oh! Okay, we got one.
So go ahead and tie that off.
Edible balloon!
Now, Rachael, you can bite that balloon and slowly breathe in the helium. There you go. Now talk to us. You sound a little bit squeaky. So you can make these helium balloons that you can actually eat.
Yeah, Kevin, did you do a lot of this when you were a child?
A little bit, just a little bit. So it works pretty well, I think. I think it works pretty well.
Obviously, don't try that at home.
Don't try that at home.